Hello, I'm Elizabeth Gonzalez. I live in Bogota. I work as assistant at Teleperformance call center. I am going to talk about environmental problems associated with the use of pesticides and fertilizers. As we can see on internet, pesticides can contaminate soil, water, turf, and other vegetations, in addition to killing insects or whites. Pesticides can be toxic to a host of other organisms, including birds, fish, beneficial insects, and non-target plants. Here in Colombia, we can see this problematic in a repeatedly way. The majority of farmers complain about their losing their harvest or about their bad yield caused by those chemicals. I have also listened that those chemicals are able to produce an important damage on our yield. They can harm us directly, but they can do it by the contaminated food. Therefore, I think we can use other kind of products in order to avoid ours and nature intoxication. Maybe a product less strong like organic things. Thank you.